Micropipettes are one of the most commonly used tools in the molecular biology laboratory. Adjustable micropipettes are used to transfer small volumes. In this laboratory, you will use different types of micropipettes. The parts of a micropipette include the plunger button, used to fill and dispense samples, the tip ejector button, used to remove used tips, the volume adjustment knob, used to adjust volume you wish to transfer. A part of putting on the tip, you should first set the micropipette to your desired volume. To adjust the volume, simply turn the volume adjustment knob until the desired volume appears on the digital display window on the front of the micropipette. After the correct volume has been set, place a disposable tip onto the pipette. To hold a micropipette, wrap your fingers around the pipette with your thumb on the plunger button. The plunger has two stops. Press slowly to the first, or soft stop. The soft stop is the calibrated measurement. If you continue pressing from there, you will reach a second, or hard stop. The hard stop is only used to aid in dispensing liquid completely out of the tip by providing a little burst of air. To obtain a sample, press the plunger button to the first stop and hold it there as you place the pipette tip into the vessel holding your sample. Slowly depress the plunger button, pausing at the first stop. Then continue pressing until the hard stop. Remove the micropipette tip from the pipette using the ejector button into a waste beaker and continue collecting samples using a new sterile tip for every collection.